A tiny crack. It's beginning! Shh, look, a little beak. The first one is out, so small and fluffy. And another one. They're all coming out together. Welcome, little quail chicks. We'll keep you warm and cozy. Watch them take their first steps, tiny little pitter-patters. They're already exploring, so curious. We'll raise you with all the love. The incubator is quiet now, but the room is full of soft peeping. It only takes about 17 days for quail chicks to hatch, such a quick journey. Watch them grow so quickly. In just a few weeks, they'll be fully feathered. And before you know it, around 6 to 8 weeks, they'll be mature and laying their own eggs, starting the sweet cycle all over.